Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to fix the Cash App cannot link the card at this time problem. If you are having trouble linking your card to Cash App, here are 3 fixes you can try. First, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Sometimes issues like this occur because the app has not been updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and check if there is an update available. If there is, update the app and try linking your card again. If updating the app does not solve the issue, you can try manually adding your bank account instead of linking the card directly. Open the app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Linked Banks and choose the option to link debit card. Instead of filling in your card details, select the No Card option and tap Continue. This will show you a list of supported banks. For example, if you are a Wells Fargo customer, select Wells Fargo and log into your bank account using your credentials. Once linked, your bank account will be connected and the card associated with it will also link accordingly. If these steps still do not work, you can try accessing Cash App through a web browser on a PC or laptop. Log in to your Cash App account from the official website and try linking your card through the web platform. Sometimes, the web version can handle certain issues better than the mobile app. That's it. That's how you can solve the Cash App cannot link the card at this time problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.